Brickstone is an infrastructure accelerator with strong competencies in the appraisal, transaction advisory and project development of large-scale industrial and infrastructure projects in Africa. In executing our advisory process, Brickstone combines investment acceleration, capacity building and hands-on advisory skills that provides unsurpassed creative approach that differs from the traditional consulting firm. Our services is focused on three main themes that characterizes major industrial and infrastructure projects: we appraise, we advise and we accelerate. Our goal at Brickstone is to be Africa's infrastructure catalyst. One of our core sectors in Brickstone is transport infrastructure. The transport infrastructure practice covers all forms of mobility and logistics, infrastructure available on land, sea and air. The practice is grouped into land mobility. These includes roads, highway and land logistics. Sea mobility, these includes ports, shipping, offshore and marine logistics. Air mobility, these includes airports and air logistics. Brickstone is the spur Africa has been searching for to quicken its gap in its infrastructure deficit, while providing quality project development and acceleration service. Won't you rather contact us to make your project happen? Visit www.brickstone.africa/transport or call us on +234 814 990 6488.